Hi guys, this is Dave from Streamrock Realty Corporation. So right now we're here at Club Laiya in San Juan, Batangas. Behind me is the Spinnaker at Club Laiya, a beachfront condominium development by Landco Pacific Corporation. So if you're looking for a beachfront property investment that blends leisure, luxury, and rental potential, this property might be the best for you. So just to give you an idea dun sa location ng project, it's located at Barangay Playa Laiya in San Juan, Batangas. Around 2.5 hour drive away from Metro Manila, 1 hour away from Lipa City, and around mga 30 minutes away lang siya from San Juan Town proper. Now this 22-story beachfront condominium offers studio units, 1-bedroom units, 2-bedroom units, and 3-bedroom units. Out of the 233 residential units that they're offering, 80 units na lang po yung available right now on inventory and all 1-bedroom units are already sold out. So the amenities include an speakeasy style bar, meron din siyang golf simulator, reception area and lobby, meron din siyang kids zone, infinity pool, sky bar and sky ballroom, meeting and conference rooms, and then meron din siyang helipad on the 23rd floor. So as you can see, tapos na yung fully structural framework ng the Spinnaker and we're currently at around 78% overall completion. So right now on track po tayo for our target completion date of March 2027. So exciting times po for all our buyers and investors na nakabili na po ng unit at the Spinnaker and for those that are looking to invest. So this is one of the most exciting beachfront developments here in Laiya right now. So ito yung maganda talaga sa The Spinnaker as compared to other developments is it's literally beachfront. So pagbaba mo pa lang ng unit mo, ito na yung magiging view ninyo. So it has calm waters, fine white sand, and it's around 2.5 hour drive lang from Metro Manila. So talagang perfect siya for a weekend use or even for rental. Ito naman po yung ating helipad located on the 24th floor and yung magiging view naman po ng Club Laiya Seaside District from the 23rd floor kung saan located po yung ating sky ballroom and sky bar area. So imagine if you're hosting a private event dito sa ating sky ballroom, ito po yung magiging view ninyo and vantage point po ninyo. So kita nyo po yung buong coastline po ng Laiya. So this is one of the highlights po talaga ng building. So ito naman po yung ating 6th floor kung saan po located yung ating kids zone, yung ating dagali at 6 sets or yung lounge area, and then yung ating infinity lap pool. So right now makikita nyo na po yung ating yung forma ng infinity lap pool. And then, ang target completion po nito is by March 2026. So, by next month na po. So, isa rin to sa mga highlights po ng ating development. So, right now, makikita nyo na po yung infinity lap pool. And then, yung magiging view niya po, yung view po ng sea. So, exciting po para sa ating mga unit owners. So ito po yung 2-bedroom corner unit po natin with balcony. So this is the living area, bedroom 1, and then we're going to show din yung toilet and bath, and then yung main bedroom, just to give you an idea dun sa layout ng 2-bedroom unit, and then kung gaano kalaki yung spaces niya. So if interested kayo to invest at the Spinnaker, we're going to show our contact details on the screen for you. If you have questions po or you would like to ask for quotations, please do send us a message. So thank you very much and see you on the next video.